How do bloggers make money? And specifically, how can a blogger make over $1,000 in a single day? In this video, I'm going to show you what I've personally done to earn some awesome money from my blogs. And you will also learn what I have personally done to have many days where I've earned over $1,000 in a single day. Again and again and again. You will see real proof and stats, so don't go anywhere. My name is Greg Kononenko. You might also know me as the Caffeined Blogger, and on this YouTube channel, I help bloggers just like yourself get traffic to their blogs and actually turn that traffic into money. Click subscribe just below this video and tick that bell notification icon as well to make sure that you get notified as soon as I upload my next video. Let's get into it. First of all, let me show you some of the examples of my blogging income, and then later on in the video, we'll go through some examples from other bloggers. So my blogging income total at the moment is between $15,000 to $20,000 per month from my overall blogging business. I'm going to break it down for you, but before I do that, I just want to make sure that you also know that I'm not doing blogging full time. I also have another part of my business, a software business. I'm a half partner in a software company, Growth Commander. So I also make money from software as well as I spend time on that software. So the incomes that you're going to see here are not actually from sort of a full-time effort, because at times I have to focus 100% of my time on my software business. Now, having said that, let's talk about the first sort of blogging site that I have, and that is a fitness website. And I currently average about $2,000 a month from this site. Let me jump over and I'll show you some of the kind of proof and the numbers. So I'm here inside my Adsense account, and as you can see, I actually haven't refreshed this page since probably about a couple of hours ago, maybe two and a half hours ago. And you can see that from ads, from AdSense ads, I've made about $78.41. But if I refresh this, I think we've ticked over to a new day in the US time. So you can see that's now actually updated. I've just hit refresh here, and that's updated to $80 Australian that I made yesterday from AdSense on my fitness website. So basically that's probably about $50, $60 US or so if we convert it at the current exchange rate. Just in case you're new and you're wondering what the hell are these AdSense ads? Well, these are ads that you see on some of the websites. That's another one of my blogs, travelcroc.com. I'll talk about it a little bit later on in the video. But here on a page, I'm going to show you some of the examples of AdSense ads. So whenever you're browsing other websites, you might see them as well. Throughout the content, you'll see an ad that looks approximately like this. There's one here in the sidebar as well. And these ads are pretty much scattered throughout the content, and Google shows them automatically based on the content that you've got on your blog. So whenever someone lands on my blogs, they scroll through the content, and if they click on any of these ads, that's when Google pays me per click, because Google show ads. It's very simple to actually set up. It's 100% passive. They just give you a little bit of a line of code and you insert it into your website, and then they start automatically showing up these ads. You don't actually need to do anything, so it's super passive. And that's how my fitness website makes this money that you can see here. I don't actually publicly reveal my fitness website URL simply because I'm a little bit concerned about potential competition, because I've got some really cool keywords that I've researched for my blog. So publicly I reveal my travel blog and some of my other blogs, but this fitness website I don't publicly show the URL of. So from AdSense on the fitness side, as you've seen in my AdSense account, I make anywhere from kind of 20 to, on a very bad day, to about $50 or even sometimes more US dollars per day. And also I recommend some products as an affiliate. Sometimes I currently don't make any sales, affiliate sales on the fitness website, and sometimes I might make one or two sales. So kind of I average between $0 to approximately $70 a day in affiliate sales. So on average, over the last month or so, I've averaged about $2,000 US per month when I combine affiliate earnings with AdSense earnings. Here are the stats from my Google Analytics account so that you can see the number of actual page views that I get on that fitness blog. And you can see we started the blog in May 2019 and the traffic has been growing very steadily all of last year, and then there was a big jump just because there was a bit of a dip here in Christmas because people don't care much about fitness or exercise around Christmas time. You know, everyone just has a good time and eats. But then there's a massive spike just after New Year because a lot of people make New Year's resolutions and try to change the diet. That's kind of quite normal in the fitness niche. The big thing to note, of course, here is that there's been a lot of growth, and the first 5 or 6 months of every blog is a slow burn. You don't really get a lot of traffic. So kind of between May and October, you know, we only started getting a slight increase in traffic in October, but I've seen that time and time again with all of my websites. It takes Google about 3 to 6 months to start trusting your website, and you just need to continue, stick with it, and keep publishing high quality content. And Google will eventually start sending you traffic. And then after that, it just, you know, it's the traffic always takes off. You just have to be patient. Now you'll notice that the period where these stats end is 16th of January 2020. Today it's the 20th of February 2020. The reason why I limited it on the 16th of January is because Google AdSense terms actually don't allow me to disclose exact number of revenue per 1,000 visitors, and you've seen my AdSense earnings already, so you could then technically figure out my earnings per 1,000 visitors. So that means that I had to stop the stats in January so that you don't know the number of visitors and you can't kind of figure out those stats. This way I don't break Google terms and conditions. In case you're wondering what affiliate earnings are, I recommend some products related to fitness and exercise on our website, and I get a special link. If somebody clicks onto that link, I get paid a percentage commission. I'm going to show you some of the examples of that later on in the video. The second area where I earn money blogging is from my other websites. I've got several other websites. I'm going to show some of them to you now. It's Travel Croc, That's Hustle, Greg Kononenko, and I've got a couple of other smaller websites as well. Combined, I earn about $2,000 a month from them. You've already seen my Travel Croc website. It's getting a steady amount of traffic every single day from search. People type in various keyword terms such as, for example, Bora facts, and they find me on Google. I'm here at the number 3 position. So they click onto my website, they land on my website, and after they land on my website, a lot of them click ads that are on my site, and I make money. Google AdSense basically pays me for displaying these ads. Here is another one of my websites, that's hustle.com. On it, I publish various content. For example, here is an article where I review the SiteGround hosting, and I personally use SiteGround hosting, by the way. So I wrote an honest review why I like SiteGround hosting, and anyone who lands on this website, if they click any of these affiliate links, and they end up signing up to SiteGround as a result of my recommendation, you can see there is this thing here, AF code. So this is basically my affiliate link that SiteGround gave me. And if somebody signs up for SiteGround service as a result of this, I get paid a percentage commissions. That's what affiliate marketing essentially is all about. And I get a lot of these sales between my various blogs. Here are all of the SiteGround affiliate sales notifications. I'm just refreshing the page so you can see that this is for real. So you can see all of these affiliate sales notifications that I'm getting. So here you can see I'm inside SiteGround. So these are all of the commissions that I've made. They pay pretty well, $100 per sale. Not all of these sales, for disclosure, come from these blog. I also promote it in other places as well, but every once in a while I get a sale from these blog as well. I promote other affiliate products on my websites and I make money from them in a few other ways as well. But basically combined, I make around $2,000 from Travel Croc, That's Hustle, Greg Kononenko, and those couple of other smaller blogs. So my third and my largest blogging brand is Caffeined Blogger. In total, I make, these are the amounts that you can see here on the screen. Directly, I make $2,000 to $3,000 a month. I make also between $5,000 to $10,000 selling my own product. And I also make between $5,000 to $10,000 a month from email marketing. I'm going to break it down for you and give you the examples here as well. So let's talk about this direct category of $2,000 to $3,000 per month. So if somebody Googles free traffic sources, you can see my Caffeined Blogger website comes up here on page 1. So I've published content on various topics on the Caffeined Blogger website. And if somebody then opens up this page, they will see some information, and I talked about the Pinterest traffic that I'm getting and this particular tool that I use called Tailwind. And if somebody clicks on any of these affiliate links and signs up for Tailwind, I end up getting paid a percentage commission. So that's what I'm talking about, where I said that I make some money directly from people just looking at my content and clicking on various affiliate links. So that's for caffeinatedblogger.com, which is my actual blog. Now, Caffeinated Blogger brand also includes the YouTube channel. So if I open this up, this is my channel, obviously where you guys are watching this video. And I currently have 72,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And my plan for the caffeinatedblogger.com website was actually to build it out into a nice big blog, which I might end up doing at a later point in time. I just got busy with the YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel has actually been growing really fast. And I really ended up liking YouTube, so I switched to publishing my content actually on YouTube. The stuff that I was going to publish on caffeinatedblogger.com, my YouTube overtook it. So if we look at the analytics from the 19th of January to the 18th of February, so basically for 30 days, here are my stats. Here you can see that I've made 1,800 just from showing ads on my videos. So ads on the videos are a little bit similar, I guess, to the ads that you saw on travelcroc.com. On websites, it's just ads that are shown in content, and all of my videos as well, they include ads. For example, when someone opens up one of my videos, you can see generally there is an ad shown here at the start. And if a person watches 5 seconds or more of this ad, then I get paid a small amount. And you can see that I made 1,800 just from these 145,000 views that my videos have had in the last 30 days. And if we look at the top earning videos, some of the videos are making me a couple of $100 per month just on autopilot, just from those ads. Also, in some of my videos, as well as in some of my content on caffeinatedblogger.com, I recommend various products, so various WordPress themes and SiteGround hosting and various other resources, and in total that adds up to about $2,000 to $3,000 per month in direct revenue from people just watching my content and clicking on the links that are already there in the content and buying various things through my links. Now, this is quite a small part of what I make from caffeinatedblogger.com. The bigger parts, of course, here are selling my own product as well as email marketing. So let me explain to you how I do that. And basically, a lot of bloggers, they do that as well. Showing ads generally is a very small proportion of the money that most bloggers are making. Selling your own product and promoting things, building your email list and promoting things to your email list generally account for a lot more of their income. I publish a variety of content on my YouTube channel, and some of it relates to various ways of making money online, some of it relates to blogging. And in the content that's related to blogging, I mention the training and coaching package that I've got, just like what you can see here, resources mentioned. And that basically takes people to a sales page where they can buy my product if they're interested. So the training plus coaching package that I've got, Caffeinated Niche Profits, if I choose that, I'm here inside our shopping cart. From the 21st of January to February the 20th, you can see basically here are the stats. I made $9,500 in sales. I've had a few refunds, but basically I've made $8,800 just from selling that product in the last 30 days. So that's how I make these $5,000 to $10,000 a month from selling my own product. This is actually very common. If you look on any interior design blogger's website, they generally sell their interior design course, or they might sell their designs. If you look on fitness type blogs, then you might see that the bloggers are selling their workout plans or workout videos. So selling your own product to your own audience is actually very, very profitable, and that's what most bloggers end up doing once they've got an audience, and once they're a bit more experienced, they end up developing their own product, and that's what I recommend, of course, to my students as well. Now, the last part here that I want to talk about is email marketing. That's also a big component of what I make every single month. I average between $5,000 to $10,000 every single month. Well, you'll notice that on my Caffeinated Blogger website, I'm inviting people to learn how to get visitors to the website. So I've got a little sort of presentation that people can sign up and watch if they want to. And that, of course, captures the email address of the interested person. Once they are on my email list, I'm able to then communicate. I generally send my YouTube videos and from time to time I also send promotions as an affiliate. So basically I recommend other people's products to my email list, and if somebody buys via my link, then I get paid a commission. So I'm now logged into one of the affiliate management platforms, and I promoted this product. It's actually a really cool product and my audience was very interested in it. It's some done for you websites. I recommended them and I was getting paid 40% commission on a $2,000 product. So my commissions basically were $798.80. That's just after adjusting for some fees and rounding, etc. And you can see that when I promoted it in January, you can see these $798 commissions. So there's a couple of rejected transactions there. But basically on January the 12th there, I made $798 commission, then another one, $798 commission here. And then there were also a couple of days, if you can see this, let me just make this a little bit bigger because you probably can't see it behind my face on the camera there. So January 9th, we've got here, there were 2 sales. So basically this is, an example of a day where I made over $1,000 in a single day just because I sent an email to my email list. I did the same thing in October. I promoted it in October as well, and you can see here October 10th. I made, just in that one day, I made 3 sales. So that's over $2,000 in a single day from sending an email promoting this product. So this is exactly why I personally try to build my email list everywhere I can. I've got opt-in forms on my blog as well as on my YouTube channel, and I invite others to join my email list. And you should be doing the same once you've got your own blog and you've got the audience. You definitely should be building your own email list because it can be very profitable. Imagine if I was not doing any email marketing, I would be making $5,000 to $10,000 less every single month. So let's see if we've answered the question, how do bloggers make money? Basically, bloggers make money from these following things. Let's just recap. So ads in the content as well as the affiliate links in the content. In general, in my opinion, I recommend for someone who's just starting out the blog to really focus on getting the content out there and getting the traffic. And once you've got the content up there and you start getting traffic from Google search, you can add Adsense ads into your content as well as recommend some related products. So add affiliate links into the content, and that will at least start getting some revenue in for you. Now, this is just the very first step of monetization. Once you've got a bit of an audience and you've established your authority, you can go on to create your own product, and you can do that in pretty much your own niche. In the guitar niche, you can create your own guitar course. In the fitness niche, you can create your own diet list or your own maybe recipe book. Then you can start selling your own product on your website as well as to your email list. And of course, it's very important to eventually start building your email list actually as early as you can, because having your own email list can be extremely profitable, as you've seen with my examples. And if you look all over the internet, bloggers always say that having your own email list is the most profitable thing that you can do, because that's an audience that you can, once you've got 20,000 people on your email list, you can send an email and you can make thousands of dollars in a single day. You can always Google for blog income reports, and that'll bring up a bunch of results. For example, if you look at this, you will see that there are links to other people posting their information, and you will generally see that people make money in a very similar kind of split. If you look at all of these and you open it up and read in detail exactly how those bloggers make money, you will generally see that it's approximately the same things, showing ads and having affiliate links, selling your own product, as well as having your email list and then promoting things via your affiliate link to that email list. If you're ready to start your blog and you want to learn how to actually set everything up, I've got some step-by-step videos for you. So check the links in the description below as well as the card here, and you can get started right away. Those videos are free, they're just here on my channel, so you can watch them and enjoy. If you do want to check out my course plus mentorship package, it's on a 35% discount. Use coupon code YouTube, check the link in the description. Aside from that, do make sure that you tick that bell notification icon and click the subscribe button just below so that you can get notified as soon as I upload my next video. On this channel, I help you make a full-time income online through blogging and free traffic generation. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.